Here I think it's not massage, it's something else. It's like another Barsha. They're like, oh yeah, come for massage. It's like, there was never massage.
I don't know, it was just 4 hours of life for my
Yeah, because we woke up early and the flight, even though it was short, but we didn't stop. It was from Teco.
Especially you guys.
It was from Teco to London. So
Yeah, you finished very fast in economy.
for us it was okay. The things like some people were like, okay, I want to eat later, and some people they were like, okay, now I want the dessert, or now I want the whatever. So in business you always work, but it's okay. It's not like you are like. It's not like overwhelmed with work like in UK flights. UK flights, yes, you work like.
Because they drink a lot.
Yeah, and they want everything now. Like after 2 minutes, there, where's my drink? Super drunk. Here they are fine. It's not like they are pushing you. They're nice people. We're going from here. That looks nice at the end. The end of the road. Mykonos coffee. Full of pigeons, like Buenos Aires. In Buenos Aires, it's like a flag. We tried to kick them out and we couldn't. Yeah, we brought hawk, we brought eagles, and they ran away. The pigeons kicked them away. They won the battle.
They are so strong that they won.
Yeah, because they're like thousands. So it doesn't matter if you are like a hawk. If you are against 1,000, you're gonna die.
Is it true that they're gonna put the radio?
Yeah, I've been hearing this for 2 years. Until it's not there, I'll go.
You're not believing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna sacrifice that. I'm not gonna say yes, it's true. No.
No, because I'm very close friend of mine.
If they do that, of course, I will change my building straight away, like before. Oh, look at this church. It looks like new, like fully restored. The iglesia.
Now the weather is fine. Now
Yeah,
it's very
that's
nice.
perfect. Now it's perfect.
And then I met my boyfriend.
Before it was too hot. ¿Hay tifosi della Roma o Lazio?
Roma.
Roma.
Por favor.
Lazio fascista. What? Oh, 20 euros. Oh, maybe it was like fake. Maybe
Imagine people like
maybe it was like
like a trend or something.
yeah, or like a ticket for a theater. You can buy here these ones, the abanicos, if you need. They sell here.
Do you follow football?
Wow, this one is so big. It's for groceries. Yeah, I'm crazy. Yeah, I'm Boca Juniors fan.
Of course, Boca.
I'm like, and now we're doing so bad. It's getting years of my life away
Yeah.
because I'm so pissed off with the management and the players. I'm spending so much money getting angry about it, but but what to do?
Still, it's a club that you support.
You need to have a passion, you know?
Exactly. It's like for me, Rome.
Some people they don't have any feelings.
I used to go always to the
Now Paredes,
Paredes,
Boca.
yeah.
To Boca. He's the best player we have because the other 10 players are like shit.
Yeah,
So
but the video was so emotional when he came back and the whole stadium was,
Yeah.
you know, oh my god, I got like a...
no, and even he rejected like from Saudi Arabia. They offered him like 65 million euros or something, like crazy money, and he said no, I'm not going. He said if I leave Roma, it's only for Boca. That's why he put this clause that he say if Boca put 4 million euros, I go there. It was only for Boca. He didn't want to go.
I mean, he's a good player. So
Yeah.
I love Paredes. So
And for us, it was like our management. We could bring him 6 months ago, and our management was like, "Oh, but he's asking for 600,000 more." He's like,
It's Paredes.
He's a World Cup champion. He plays for the national team. Like, and you pay more money for Cavani. Like, he's a retired player. He didn't do shit so far.
At least Paredes is younger.
Paredes still have like, at least 5-6 more years, easily. So that's why I'm so pissed off. And even our president, Riquelme, it's our idol, but as a president, we need to separate the players from the president. Imagine like tomorrow Totti.
It's like I was saying that.
Imagine tomorrow Totti becomes the president and he starts doing shit for the club. At some point we're gonna be like,
I love you, but
you are not fit for the position.
that's why it's because they offer him the position as a.
No, but he knows. He knows.
Yeah, he knows that it's not good. I mean, Totti, I love him as a player, but as a person, like he's not that educated. He's not into that
but
stuff.
At least he knows he cannot do it,
exactly.
and he doesn't take it.
Exactly.
But Riquelme, he took it, and he's so selfish and egocentric. Like he cannot. He brings the coaches, but he's the one telling the coaches good players to put them on the pitch and everything. So there's no independence on the club. Everything runs
You
through
already
him.
know me so much.
This is Sparta, like the movie. Look at the little dress, so small. This way, gift shop.
Oh, these are so cute.
The entrance. Like the floor.
Ah, caprice.
Look at the floor. Amazing. Like marble. Also.
Because you're looking for the body screen. You find it? Oh, look at the months.
Yeah, and it comes with big pieces of garlic and
Yeah, it's like in how do you say?
Conserva.
Yeah, exactly.
so yeah. For me, every time before food, I prepare a little cheese with the olives.
Yeah.
Some,
And when I go home, a little bit of salami.
yeah. I was telling her today. Do you have air fryer?
Do I am? I am.
So I was telling her like you put in air fryer 3 minutes, cheese,
What, salami?
salami, and it's amazing.
No, you put the salami in the fryer?
Yeah.
No, trust me. Trust me.
Only
It's better
three-
when it's fresh.
Only 3 minutes.
I know, but you put it in a sandwich with some cheese.
Yeah.
Trust me.
It's the cheese
Okay, no,
melts.
wait. If it's in a sandwich, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, like this, like the normal pieces, no.
No.
For me, this is like the thing.
No, it's like a toast.
No, a toast, yes, of course.
It's amazing.
That's kind of cool.
You can stop.
Huh? More?
It's not photo.
No.
I'm recording.
And you're like shopping.
I'm recording.
I'm gonna be in your vlog.
Yes.
Nice.
Don't
Make
say-
vlogs?
Don't say anything mean. Happened to me once in Bologna. I had to mute the video. Otherwise, they will take down my channel. Yeah, hobby. The smell. That's in the smell.
Yeah.
What time is it now? It's 7:15. Look at this one, Taverna, in the corner. Taverna, from here, right? We have to go up and up. Yes.
I mean, that company should be up. Even if we don't know, like.
We don't skip up. Yeah, it's the street. I go the other way up. are like
Some are really
different than Dubai.
one of these streets.
Alex, you were the one talking about the black cat street. Black cat. Another one.
What is here?
I remember someone talking.
It's like black street, black cats in that street.
No,
No?
there is a street called Black Cat Street, something like that.
Yeah.
And they said that it's very famous, go to shop, blah blah blah. So I thought it's fun. Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Nice, huh?
Wait, I want to take a picture also. Wait.
Picture.
Go back. Don't be in the and they're like,
Smile. And here in Europe they had this identity protection, right? Europe.
you cannot do that in Dubai.
No, in here in Europe as well.
But then in Europe, you can do a little bit whatever you want.
In Europe, if you, of course, nobody does it. But if you go and complain, they have,
Yeah,
to,
of course, I need to do
you have to at least blur the faces. Yeah, imagine once in Dubai, I went with my professional camera to Burj Khalifa. To the other side, I put my tripod, everything to take pictures, and the guy came, the security, said, "What are you doing?" I was like, "I'm taking pictures." No, you can't. Professional cameras, no, can't.
What?
You need the permission.
For who?
I
From the police?
I said, from where? Security from the mall. I want to speak to the security in the mall. They said, no. You need special permission because otherwise the only people who can do this kind of pictures is for commercial and this and that. I was like, wow. Didn't know. They say it's for security. They say like MR, for example, MR, they don't want people to take pictures at the MR building.
Yeah. But
Because they say the terrorists can use it for plotting.
because if you go to Dubai, to Google and you write Dubai,
You
Emirates,
cannot
blah
see
blah.
a Dubai Mall. Burj Khalifa. Here I had dinner once.
Was it nice?
Here I had dinner with the food for sure.
So here we are next to Acropolis.
And there was like music, fruit dancing.
A cat? What? Oh my god!
What's the cat? Ah, yes.
Here's a thousand.
Yeah, both cats. They're chilling. They're big ones, huh?
Yeah, huge.
Look at
They
this.
eat a lot.
Yeah.
Look how he's sleeping.
Gyros. Look at that one. That one is like a king. That one is massive. That cat.
How the cat is so unbothered? Hello.
Look at Adolf. You saw this one? Adolf.
He's just missing the...
Little Adolf.
They're so chill. They don't care. They're like, don't bother me, okay?
It's like, give me food or...
Exactly.
The pizza needs some butter.
Yeah.
Look like, oh my god.
No, I miss my cat so much. I go home so often just for my cat. And my mom knows that. Like, she's okay with it.
Just enjoy it while you're there with the cat.
I came home, the first thing I do is go to my cat. And then to her and to my dad. But prioritize, right?
Yeah.
I think we took the right time to go to the Acropolis. Because if we went like straight away when we went out, we would be like all sweaty by now.
Yeah.
Yep. Try, move.
There is no clouds, nothing there on top. They're still under, they're still restoring, right? Like last time I was there, they were like the main buildings. They were under. Yeah.
Where?
In Acropolis, the main buildings they were restoring them.
No lo so.
This one. Where it goes?
Must be here somewhere, that mountain.
Should we go here?
Climb on.
Maybe we should still going up.
I think it's that way. Yeah, I want to go.
Yeah?
I don't know.
Is it? It's very narrow here. Wow. Yeah, now we're talking about.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Now, yes. For free.
Vamos. That's why you should travel when you're young. That's why. Because you get things. Also in Netherlands you have so many things to do. In Paris everything is free. Yeah, I remember where also the like you are this cool one. So you get the trains, everything for free.
You know how many people probably
Probably.
fell,
Is a sign? I mean,
Dra-
to put a sign, it means that
drunk,
it was needed.
like in headquarters. In
That's
headquarters,
why you don't have the beard.
in headquarters, like they put this sign, mind your head. It's like, you know, in the escalators.
And they also tell you how to bring the bag
Yeah.
on the escalator. I'm like, bro, really? Yeah.
Wow.
Guys, we made it.
Are drones allowed here? Wow. I should have brought mine.
You have also drones? You have everything.
Yeah, because in Dubai I cannot use them now. They are not allowed.
No? Really?
Tell me
what is allowed.
the other day they told me, oh, you should renew your license. Yeah, but why should I renew it if I cannot use it in Dubai?
Clary.
They told me, oh, if you want to bring it back, you need the license.
Oh.
Otherwise, we will take it away from you. Outside. And it's the Mavic Mini. It's like less than 200 grams. Too small. Where's the sun? Sun is covered, right? Where is it?
Yeah. Should be there because I see the.
Yeah.